You want an itch or what? No? You're not going to bite my finger, you asshole. If you guys are new to the channel and you like what you see, hit that subscribe button, ring my bell, get my notifications. Throw me a thumbs up and leave a question or comment below so that way I know who you are. Well, Wilbur there. I'm not sure what his deal is. He's kind of sort of runted. And he holds his head to one side. I know he got ran over by the big pig. I don't know if I looked in his ear, made sure his ear wasn't hurt. He's still very lively when you grab a hold of him, I can tell you that, but I'm not a pig expert. Give him a little antibiotic. You want to scratch? Hair floppy ear? No? How about you? Oh, there, that's what you wanted, huh? Oh. Oh. Scratch me. Scratch me. Well, I tell you what, I was gonna chip this load of wood chips there to put in the pig pen, but it's sort of aren't dry in there right now. I don't think there's any sense. it gets sloppy in there, we will, but right now, man, look at the soil we're taking out of that. Look at that stuff. You want to talk about potting soil. A little fresh pig shit in there, they work it in. Ain't any better than that. Now there's been horse and cow shit in there for years, and they're working around on the surface. So I think every few days I'm just gonna go in there and shave the top off and of what's loose. Take a wheelbarrow load or two out of there, and then we'll work that level down a little bit before we start dumping wood chips in. We'll save those for the chicken coop. No? You want? Look at. Oh, getting that ear. Look at. Oh yeah. Scratch the ear. Oh. That spot. You get that one? Oh, that's what I'm saying. Oh. That's pretty much what I do, buddy. Yeah, that's how I do it. Oh. Oh. Yeah, there you go. What do you think of that, big pig? How was that? What? What do you want? You like the scratchings, don't you? Oh. 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 I scratch the same fucking way. I come in the house at night, a little bit, half in the bag, and find something rough to rub my ass on. Oh my God. Anyway, aside from that, I do need to fashion a slop trough for these guys here shortly. Been using the rubber mats, the rubber tubs. They work okay, but if you guys like what I'm doing, what we're doing, Katie and I on the channel, hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring my bell, get my notifications. Hey, today's gonna be Wednesday. Tomorrow's gonna be Wednesday, whatever. Depends when I put the video up. You never know. Stop in on Wednesday night live stream, say hi. 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Central Time. You never know what we're gonna be up to. Besides drinking beer, that's guaranteed. Usually guaranteed. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you again next time.